Now that we're logged in and we've enrolled in a district, I'm now going to start the course and take you through the process. So once you're there, you can just click Start Course. And then it's going to ask me to begin the course for sure. So you can see in this area, it'll give you a basic rundown of about how long each one of these sections will take. You have a nice list here of all the sections in the entire course. We have a video, and then you have a couple of attachments you can download if you want to follow along with the video using those attachments. So I'm going to speed through this pretty quickly, but it'll give you a good rundown of how it goes. So right now, 0% of the course is complete, and I haven't checked off on any of the modules. But let's say I just finished watching this video and I want to mark this unit complete. This is very important, so it gives you a nice rundown of what you've completed and what you still have to check off on. So now that I've checked off on that, I can just click here and move to the next unit. You can see this will advance forward. I would then watch this video and mark the unit as complete. So at any time you could leave the course and come back, and as long as you've marked it complete, you could pick up right where you left off, or you can finish it all in one sitting. So I'm just going to move through these, checking off and marking units complete. And then now I've gotten to the last module and the quiz is all that remains. So I'm going to go ahead and click Proceed to Quiz. This is going to come up with a dialog box that makes sure that I want to move into the quiz section. This is what the quiz page looks like. It shows you a list of how many questions there are total. When you click Start Quiz, it'll throw you right in. So I'm going to answer these questions and blur this out. But you just click on your answer and then next question. And you can see it checks off each one as you finish it. Just very quickly move through. When you get to the last question and you answer it, you won't have a move forward button. You'll just be able to submit the quiz. Now, I know that I've gone through this and answered them all correctly. So I'm going to receive 100%. The course is going to submit. It's going to grade itself, and then I'm going to be presented with the opportunity to download a certificate. If you did not get a 100%, you would be able to retake the quiz. There would be a button that says retake quiz, and you can retake it as many times as you need to get the 100% that you need to move forward. So since I know I've answered these correctly, I'm going to go ahead and hit submit quiz. Confirm that that is what I want to do, and it'll go through the motion of grading. It's going to come up and give me a list of everything I got correct and if I happen to get anything wrong. So you can see I got 12 out of 12 marks. Now all I want to do is click back to course. This takes me to the course being evaluated. You can see, congratulations, successfully passed the course and earned the course completion certificate. So I can now click this and my certificate is going to come up and say Holler Info has successfully completed the administration code training. So that does it for this section. That's how you go through the course, take the quiz, and submit it for evaluation, and then view your certificate initially. In other videos, we'll look at changing your name, making sure it prints the way you want it to print, and how to access the certificate at a later date.